Right, so the next part is the classification of the sukuk. Right, so first classification here is sales-based sukuk, which is BBA or buy vitamin ajil. Buy vitamin ajil is the sales and purchase asset to be paid on later date. Here, for those who just to refresh, what is BBA? So buy vitamin ajil is basically this is the example of buy vitamin ajil. So let's say example, you don't have enough money to purchase a car, for example. So bank will buy a car from you. A bank will buy a car for 50,000, the dealer. Bank will sales to Ali. Let's say you are Ali. So bank will sales to Ali at the you see here at the profit here 65,000. So Ali will pay bank over time. So again, this is by vitamin Acil. It is different from tawaruk. Tawaruk different. Tawaruk because you purchase from others on deferred and you sales to others on cash basis because you want cash fast, right? This one by vitamin Ajil. It's not that concept actually. It is a sales-based concept. That's why the name is the category is sales-based concept, right? So murabahah we know already the markup sales. Like this situation. Salam is a forward sales and istina is manufacturing sales. So this one is this well-known contract already. Okay. So the next part is lease-based. The classification is lease-based. Lease we know under Islam is the ijarah. So there's two highlighted here is ijarah muntahiyah bil al-tamlik. Um, Again, just illustration what is ijarah muntahiyah bil al-tamlik. Ijarah muntahiyah bil al-tamlik. This is the illustration or example. Bank will buy a house for you and bank lease the house to Aisha. Let's say you Aisha. So for 1,500 per month for 20 years. At the end of the lease, bank Aisha will get the ownership either by give, sales at the token price, which is very cheap, or automatically if agreed in the contract. So this is by vitamin sorry, ijarah mutahiyah bil al-tamlik. Okay, ijarah mutahiyah bil al-tamlik. So this is ijarah mutahiyah bil al-tamlik. If it is ijarah mausufah bil al-dimah, it is a forward ijarah. Forward ijarah. What does it mean by forward? You see, salam is also forward, right? So it is similar to salam, which is it's related to istithna. So this is the illustration. Ali want to lease apartment that still being built, you see, still in construction. So agree to construct apartment with a clear spec. Ali lease agreement now for the apartment for when the apartment is ready. So the lease is only start when the construction is complete, and Ali paying monthly rent once the apartment is delivered. So this is ijarah mausufah bil al-jimah. Right. So the next part is partnership base. Partnership base is mudarabah musyarakah, well known. Okay. And agency base. Agency base we have wakalah bil al-istimar. Wakalah bil al-istimar is where the financial institution manage fund on behalf of their customer as the concept of wakalah. Agency is wakil and muwakil, right? So this one is easy concept. Again, similar with the previous slide. Okay, so the role of the Sharia framework in Sukuk structuring is one Sharia principle may be used in different Islamic financial activities such as Sukuk, Islamic banking, asset management, and money market. Right. So type of Sharia contract chosen by issuer depends on the factor such as economic objective of the issuer, availability of the asset, company level of debt, credit rating of issuer, legal framework, and tax implication. There is a lot of consideration by the issuer. Again, this is option. This option of the issuer of Sukuk. Sometimes we do wonder why not if the company want a loan, the company don't just go to the bank and ask for loan, right? Why the company want to issue a Sukuk and everything? Of course, it depends on the company objective and it depends on the company vision and mission, right? So this is the classification of the scope based on commercial function. The previous one, the category classification is based on Sharia contract, and this one is based on commercial function. So if it is a corporate, okay, corporate issuer are incorporated company or non-government entities can be murabahah, normally murabahah, corporate sukuk, ijarah, corporate sukuk normally, right? If it is a sovereign, issuer a government or sovereign entity. If it is a sovereign, okay, sovereign should mean that a monarch or raja-raja lah, okay. So pemerintah lah, in other words, it is pemerintah lah, right? So exchangeable and convertible. Sukuk may be converted into share equity at maturity or add other condition. It can have ijara, mudarabah, and musyarakah. This one is it can be converted. Right. Subordinated, the repayment of sukuk is subordinated to the creditor or depositor. All right. So in this case, subordinated debt, also known as subordinated debenture, is an unsecured loan or bond that rank below others. Okay, more senior loan or security with respect to claim of asset or earning. This is a unsecured loan basically. So in the case of borrower default, creditor who own the subordinated debt will not be paid out until the senior bondholder will be paid in full. Again, this is subordinated. This is the sukuk, that is the security is very less, very less lah. Okay. Staple, two instrument attached together and cannot be traded separately. Staple, we have two agreement or two agreement together. If one fall, one need to be follow. This one is the concept of ijara, ijara bil al-tamlik, ijara mutahiyah bil al-tamlik. And you see there is two contract, parallel contract, right? The next one is asset back. Asset back is security backed by income generating asset with a stable cash flow. Only one asset will back this sukuk. Okay, this involve a true sales securitization where the resource is to the asset and not the originator. So only one asset will back, not the whole asset, not the one group of asset. It's only one asset, and this asset can generate the flow, which is make the sukuk is very stable. Okay.